Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if you're coming across an issue that you get a little dialog window that says Microsoft Windows. The application is not responding. The program may respond again if you wait. Do you want to end the process? So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So first thing I recommend doing would actually be to end the process and attempt to relaunch the application again. If you're still having the problem, I would suggest restarting your computer at that point. So let's just go ahead and actually restart our computer right now. So now hopefully at this point you should be good to go. Now if you're noticing this a lot with a variety of programs, it probably means that your system is underpowered and you may want to remove different programs you might have installed. You may want to adjust some of the visual settings as well as the power and performance settings to hopefully boost up your computer performance a bit. I do tutorials on my channel about how to speed up Windows 10 and Windows 11. I recommend you guys take a look at, especially if you are at the lower end hardware requirements to be running Windows 10 or Windows 11. This would be a more common issue I would expect on those systems just because of the limitations of physical hardware. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.